Now I have something I really want to ask you. Something I'm sure has been on the back of your mind for quite some time now. Now, wouldn't it be amazing if you knew the exact strategies that the most successful affiliate marketers used to start earning their first affiliate commissions online and used to continue to make money after? I'm sure a lot of you are at a stage where you're either looking to make money online or you're already making money online but aren't seeing the success that you hoped for when you first started. As profitable as affiliate marketing can be, finding a good affiliate program and pasting your links all over the internet isn't a strategy that will get you far in the long run and will most likely result in you failing to reach your financial goals with this business model. By the way, if you're new here, I kindly ask that you give a subscribe and like on this video before I dive into the content. With that being said, here are 3 strategies that I recommend that you follow to start earning consistent commissions with affiliate marketing and set yourself apart from the other affiliates who are competing against you. So the first and most important strategy I recommend that new affiliate marketers focus on to start earning commissions is using a sales funnel. A very common mistake I see new affiliate marketers doing is immediately sending traffic straight to your offer. That's something that you should never do, as I can almost guarantee that you will fail if you try to get a viewer to purchase your affiliate product or service immediately. You must follow the basic sales funnel strategy, which is getting traffic, otherwise known as getting viewers to your offer, your website. Then you want to get them over to a landing page so you can collect their email address. Then you want to send them over to a bridge page so that you can build trust, introduce yourself, tell other people what you do, and then tell them about the offer that they're about to see. And then you send them to the offer, okay? As you know, traffic is pretty self-explanatory. There are 2 different types of traffic, paid and free. So paid traffic means paying networks such as Facebook, Google, Bing, who already have users, to get their users to see your offer. If you don't have a lot of money to invest up front, I recommend using free traffic strategies, which I actually use myself, where you don't have to pay for ads, such as creating a blog, a YouTube channel, or a Facebook group, and then you rely on people to find your content organically, such as searching for a term on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. For example, somebody might search on Google, they might say, what's the best autoresponder I could use, or what's the best sales funnel platform I could use? And then your blog article could be one of the first, out of 20 options. And they, as you can see, they automatically found, your offer, your website, without you having to pay anything. So that's a free traffic strategy that I highly recommend that you use. All right, guys. So I found this sales funnel from a Facebook ad I saw in my newsfeed. That was the first step, traffic. The individual who created the sales funnel paid Facebook to place an ad so that people like me who show interest in online marketing and online business would see it and click on it. Okay, so that's a form of traffic. I'm now viewing his page. Now I'm on the landing page. The purpose of the landing page is to offer something of value to the viewer in order to entice people like me to give my information. So in this case, it'd be an email address. So in this case, I'm being offered a training that will teach me how to make $250 a day on autopilot. So always make sure that you take the time to write a very effective, persuasive headline. So now I'm seeing that I'm being offered a free training to make $250 a day. So now I really want to offer my email to acquire this training. So I'm going to click I want access now. All right, so now I'm being given the chance to provide my name and my email address so the individual can send me that free training and exclusive bonuses over to my email address. So I just submitted my name and my email address, and I'm currently on the bridge page. So on the bridge page, the creator of the training is providing me with more information about what he does and how he can help me as an online business owner. I see that below, if I scroll down, he's promoting a low ticket offer that costs only $37. So this is the offer. So this is actually one of those rare cases where on the bridge page, the individual is also promoting the offer. So I'm not going to buy this one as I've already paid for this in the past. I'm assuming that by now he's already sent me the free training over to my email address. So even if this was the first time that I saw this offer and I didn't buy the $37 offer, he still has my email address, so he can send me emails through his autoresponder over time to see if I'm still interested in purchasing the offer later down the line and any other offers he might have. So as simple as this website may be, it does the perfect job of meeting each requirement of the sales funnel process. So first, the creator sent traffic to his page, which he managed to do by purchasing Facebook ads, as mentioned before. I saw the ad on my newsfeed and clicked on it, now becoming his traffic, if that makes sense. And I was sent over to a landing page where I was offered something of value, and I put in my name and my email address, and then I was sent over to the bridge page where he introduced himself, the offer that he was promoting. He explained about the free training that he was offering, along with a low ticket offer for $37. And now he has my email address, so even if I don't purchase anything on the page, he can still send me emails through his autoresponder promoting the offer along with other offers that he has to promote. So the second strategy that I recommend for beginner affiliate marketers is focusing on promoting high ticket programs. So high ticket programs are affiliate programs that will net you at least $500 per sale, recurring affiliate programs, and programs with sticky cookies. So in case if you're not familiar with what recurring affiliate programs are, these are affiliate programs where the customer needs to pay a monthly fee to use the product or the service that you're promoting. For the most part, these companies will pay you a percentage of the customer's monthly payment for as long as they remain a paying user. The best part of the recurring affiliate programs is that they are by far the easiest and realistic way to start earning passive income online. The best recurring affiliate programs are software related. So for example, this is ClickFunnels, which allows entrepreneurs to create sales funnel websites without needing to know anything about code or have any technical skills. And the way that ClickFunnels is set up is the individuals who use the program have to pay a monthly fee. So for the basic pricing plan, it's $97 a month. And for the highest level plan, which is called ClickFunnels Edison pricing, it's $297 a month. And ClickFunnels, by the way, they offer 40% recurring commissions for ClickFunnels monthly accounts. So just to do the math here, if you were an affiliate for ClickFunnels and sold the $97 a month software to a customer, you'd get $38.80 in passive income each month. Okay, completely passive as long as they keep paying their monthly bill. If you sold the $297 monthly plan to the customer, you would get a $118 a month passive affiliate commission. So as you can see, this is a great way to create a passive income stream, and there are actually many affiliates who have been incredibly successful with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. I can actually share with you one affiliate who has crossed over $1 million with this program. His name is Spencer Meekum, and as you can see here, if I can just open this up, he's done over $1 million in sales, and in the month of August, I believe this was in August of 2019, for that month he earned about $116. And as you can see here, on August 15th, he earned over $5,000. On August 16th, almost $4,000. And remember that for the most part, these are completely passive commissions. As long as these people continue to pay for their ClickFunnels account, you will continue to receive those commissions. Now, aside from recurring affiliate programs, you can also promote high-ticket programs. In my opinion, a high-ticket affiliate program is one that nets you at least $500 per sale. Although the majority of high-ticket affiliate programs don't provide the opportunity to earn recurring commissions, like the $97 and the $297 a month ClickFunnels plans, they do, however, make up for it with a large amount that you're earning per sale. So in this case, this is a 6-month prepaid plan of ClickFunnels, which costs about $2,000. And if you were to sell this program to an individual, you would get a 40% commission, which would be about $800. So you're not getting any recurring commissions from this, but you're getting a large one-time commission of $800. And the same thing goes for the 12-month plan of ClickFunnels, where the individual, again, is paying in advance. And for this one, if you were to sell it, you'd get, again, 40% commission, and that would be about $1,200. So if you're looking to earn a large amount of money from, individual sales, then I highly recommend high-ticket affiliate marketing. But if you are just sort of focused on passive income, just getting those small recurring commissions every single month, then I guess it would be best to focus on those, programs that focus on recurring commissions. So, selling, for example, an email autoresponder that costs $33 a month and provides 30% commissions, where you'd earn $11 a month in passive income. But if I were you, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter which one that you pick, but if I were to make a suggestion, I would suggest promoting high-ticket offers and passive, those recurring offers that I mentioned before. Last but not least from this topic, you also want to be promoting affiliate products with sticky cookies. So sticky cookies make it easier to earn affiliate sales, as when a visitor clicks on an affiliate link, the affiliate will still get commission from a sale, even if the user exits the page and buys the product on a later date. So a great example of an affiliate program that uses sticky cookies is called ClickFunnels, as I mentioned before. If a user clicks on my affiliate link and they don't buy anything, I will still get a commission as long as they buy that affiliate product within a 30-day time frame, as my affiliate ID has now been stuck to their browser on their computer or their phone. So sticky cookies also mean that you get commissions on upgrades or other product purchases a customer makes. So in this case, this is the potential earnings for selling the Expert Secrets book. So as a ClickFunnels affiliate, they would give you an affiliate link for the Expert Secrets book. And later down the line, through email or through ads, ClickFunnels will try to sell the individual that bought the book from you these different products. So automatically, because of the sticky cookie, and now that sticky cookie is connected to the individual's browser, if they buy the black box program, you'd get $14.80. If they bought this program, you'd get another $14.80, and all the way up to the Funnel Builder Secrets program, where if they were to purchase that, you'd get $800. So even if that individual is still not purchasing products directly from your affiliate links, as long as they click on that affiliate link, that sticky cookie will automatically be stuck to their browser, and any products that they purchase from the affiliate program that you're promoting, you will get a commission for it. So as you can tell, the sticky cookies allow you to maximize your performance as an affiliate marketer. As for myself, I've had days where customers who I referred to an affiliate program months before generated me a commission since they bought a product from the company that I referred them to. I was actually in a situation where I promoted the Expert Secrets book here, and 6 months down the line, because that individual ended up purchasing ClickFunnels through my link, they ended up buying the Funnel Builder Secrets, and when I checked my affiliate dashboard, I saw a commission for $798. And this was from a person who bought a ClickFunnels product from me 6 months prior to me making the sale. So as you can see in the situation, the sticky cookie really did all of the heavy lifting for me. Last but not least, the third strategy that I recommend, not just for beginner affiliate marketers, but for all business owners, for all online entrepreneurs, is understanding that this is a process, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Something to keep in mind is you need to be able to get rid of this urge for instant gratification. You need to get rid of this lottery mindset, this instant riches mindset when it comes to this business model, or any business for that matter. Something interesting that I found online, this quote from Thomas Jefferson, and he says, it seems the harder I work, the more luck I have. When I started as an affiliate marketer, I found myself struggling a lot. I was putting in a lot of work and not seeing the results that I wanted. But the more that I invested in myself, the more that I took the time to educate myself about affiliate marketing, advertising strategies, ways to increase my sales funnel conversion rate, the more money I made and the more luck I had. When I come to think of it, I can't tell you how many people I've seen come and go in the affiliate marketing space. They get all motivated, they join an affiliate program, they start spamming their links all over the internet, and when they don't see the results that they're looking for, they give up. You don't want to be that kind of person. This isn't to say that you can't start earning, say, $100 a day within 6 to 7 months, but something that needs to be understood in this business model, in any business model for that matter, is that to achieve success, it will take you time. It's going to take hard work, persistence, and focus to eventually start earning those, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 commission payments that you so yearn for. Now, I have something really exciting to share with you. If you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can get your first sale in more depth, there is a training course that you can actually visit through the link below this video. It's actually the highlighted comment that is designed to teach beginners like yourself on how to become a full-time affiliate marketer in just 100 days. And the best part about this is that there is absolutely no experience necessary to get started. So the training was actually created by some of the most successful internet marketers. So most of them who have actually made over $1 million online. And they're going to share and walk you through their best strategies day by day, when it comes to creating content, attracting potential customers, and ultimately making sales with affiliate marketing. So these are just a few of the people who are going to teach you day by day through the course on how they became successful with affiliate marketing. I actually went through the training myself, and it actually helped me skyrocket my affiliate income. And it taught me marketing strategies that I didn't even know existed until I actually went through the course. So if you're looking to become a successful affiliate marketer in a short period of time, in a relatively short period of time, only about 100 days, and you're a complete beginner with no experience whatsoever, trust me when I say that this is the course to take. I highly, highly recommend it. So if you're looking to register for the Affiliate Bootcamp, the first thing that you need to do is make sure to click the first or highlighted comment below this video for the link to join. Number 2, send me an email at netwealths1@gmail.com once you register to claim a special bonus that I'm offering to a limited amount of people. Number 3, check your email to start the first day of the bootcamp training. You should see an email with a link inside it. And yeah, best of luck, and contact me through my email if I can be of any further value to you. More videos will be coming soon. It's only my first video on YouTube, so this is just the beginning. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to help with the YouTube algorithm. This is NetWealth signing out, and look forward to seeing you next time.